Good morning, students. This here is Teacher Olo. And the second thing you're going to learn today is what is GCD and what is LCM, okay? And we are going first to start with GCD. You know the meaning of GCD. GCD basically means the greatest common divider. Okay? GCD means the greatest common divider of a number. So when you're given a number 30 and you're asked the greatest common divider of 30. Now, let's first find the numbers that we can use to divide 30 to make it a complete number or to get an integer, okay? We have the number 2, okay? When you divide 30 by 2, what do you usually get? Let's say 30 divided by 2, you'll get 15, okay? The next number is 3. When you divide 30 by 3, what do you get? 10, okay? The next number that can be used to divide 30 completely is 5. When you divide 30 divided by 5, what do you get? 6, okay? The next number you can use to divide 30 completely to get an integer or an whole number is which one? 10, okay? So 30 divided by 10 is what? 3, okay? Which other number can we use to divide completely to get by 30 to get a whole number? Is 15, okay? So 30 divided by 15, what do we get? 2. So in this scenario here, we have 2, 3, we have 5, we have 10, and we have 15, okay? And as we said on top of this, a GCD is the greatest common divider of a number to make it an whole number, okay? So among these numbers, 2, 3, 5, 10, and 15, which is the greatest common divider? You know, a number that's so big that when you divide it by 30, you get an whole number. The greatest common divider here will be 15, okay? Because now when you divide 30 by 15, you get 2, okay? So the greatest common divider in this case is 15. So when you're asked what's the GCD of 30, what will be your answer? 15. Okay, so that's what we mean by GCD. Let's try another number. You're given a number 24 and you're asked what is the GCD of 24, okay? Now, which are the numbers that we can use to divide 24 to get an whole number? The first number is 2. And when you divide 2 by 24, what do you get? 12. The next number is what? 3. When you divide 3 by 24, what do you get? 8, okay? The next number is what? 4. When you divide 4 by 24, what do you get? 6. The next number is 6. When you divide 6 by 24, what do you get? 4. Our next number is 12, okay? When you divide 24 by 12, what do you get? 2, okay? So among these numbers, which is our greatest common divider? And it goes about saying, which is our greatest? It's obviously 12. So when you ask what's the GCD of 24, they are basically asking you the greatest common divider. And as you can see, which is the greatest number among these? 2 is small, 3 is small, 3 is greater than 2, 4 is greater than 3, 6 is greater than 4, and 12 is greater than 6. This makes the GCD of 24 to be what? 12. So our greatest common divider in this case is 12. So Klaus, that's what we basically mean by GCD, the greatest common divider of given numbers. Thank you.